briefly explain about an operating system and types of operating system. An operating system, OS, is the most important software in a computer, serving as an interface between the user and the computer hardware, enabling us to work on it. Important functions of an OS are given below. First, device management manages and keeps track of all computer devices. Second, file system management manages the structure of files and folders and tracks disk space usage. Third, resource management controls the software resources of the computer system. Fourth, memory management manages the computer's memory. Types of operating systems. First, interactive, GUI-based user-friendly OS where commands are entered via mouse clicks. Second, single-user, multitasking, used in desktops and laptops, allowing one user to operate several programs simultaneously. Third, multi-user, enables multiple users to work on the same computer either simultaneously or at different times. Fourth, real-time, used to control machines, scientific instruments, robots, and in complex animations and automated machines. Fifth, distributed, runs on interconnected computers, combining their resources into a single integrated system through a network. Explain importance and need of care and maintenance of computer. Regular maintenance of a computer is essential for efficient functioning and data protection. Poor maintenance can lead to system failures and data loss. Key maintenance activities include: first, preventing damage; second, enable firewall, protects against unauthorized access; third, install antivirus, regularly update antivirus software to prevent malware and viruses; fourth, backups, regularly backup important data. Cleaning procedures: first, environment, keep surroundings dust-free; second, no eating drinking, prevent spills on the system; third, clean hands before using the keyboard and mouse; fourth, handle storage devices carefully, avoid data corruption or loss. Cleaning components: first, turn off power, unplug power cables before cleaning; second, avoid sprays, don't use spray cleaners directly on components; third, use anti-static wristband, prevent static electricity buildup. Cleaning peripheral devices: first, keyboard, clean by shaking it upside down; second, optical mouse, use a lint-free cloth; third, web camera, clean lens with a soft brush or dry cloth; fourth, CDs DVDs, store in cases to avoid scratches.